Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your age in Epic Games account. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you go ahead and open up Epic Games, click on your profile right here. You just click on account, or go ahead over directly to where? account.epicgames.com. Wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, you'll be landed to the same exact page. Okay. So once you're in here, just basically go to help, as you can't change your age right here under settings. Okay, as we all know. So just click on help. And then in here, we don't have the support ticket anymore. So what we can do basically is just contact them via the support chat. Okay. So go ahead and go to the top left, click on explore accounts or explore topics, click on account. Now scroll down, all the way down until you find the contact us button or the chat icon right here. So just click on it and just basically describe your problem like, hi, I would like to change my age in Epic Games. I can provide any identification that you may ask. Okay. My actual birthday is this and that, and then just click on send. Now just wait for a reply from your email address. Okay. The email address that is tied to your Epic Games account right here. And by the way, make sure that you're logged in. Okay. When you go ahead and contact Epic support. Okay. So just wait for their reply. If they won't reply, don't worry. Open up your emailing service. It could be Gmail or Yahoo or whatever. And just basically compose an email right here under to type down help@support.epicgames.com. All right. Again, help@support.epicgames.com. So just click on it. Now just go ahead and type down the subject, change age. Okay. Type down your query right here again. Hi. I would like to change my age under my Epic Games account. This is my actual birthday. I can provide any detail that you want. If you want me to send any identification or whatever, just go ahead and let me know. Okay. And then once done, just click on send. And after that, again, just wait for Epic Games support reply and continue chatting with them. That is it. That is how you change your age in Epic Games account. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.